How to switch Roblox to your PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you are using Roblox on your mobile phone and want to easily switch to PC, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. You need to head over to your browser and then search for Roblox, open up the link, and then you need to head over to login in the top right corner. And now instead of putting in your username, email, password, what you can do is you can tap on quick sign in and it will provide you a QR code, and then you can also see a code. So what you can do is you can just scan this QR code from your logged in device's camera, and then the Roblox account in your mobile will be automatically logged in into your PC as well. If not, you can just open up a Roblox app, go to more page and quick sign in and enter the code given below. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.